In recent times, when the world is distressed and divided, the idea of world peace seems distant. But we can get our peace of mind back by practicing mindfulness and creating a space of compassion and harmony. These affirmations are gentle reminders that peace begins with us. And as we speak these words, we put out an energy that a better, kinder, and peaceful world is possible. Let's begin. I pray for peace and calm in this world. Despite the violence, I believe in the power of humanity. This world is a better place. I believe this world has the potential to be at peace. I envision a world that is empathetic. I pray for all the suffering to end. I send prayers for everyone. I pray for people to be free of fear and anxiety. I pray for hope and harmony in everyone's lives. I pray to keep our thoughts positive. I pray that people choose thoughts of love and compassion. Each day, I choose to speak positively about our world. I envision being surrounded by kind and loving people. We are united as a whole. I pray for everyone's safety. I pray that each individual gets proper food and shelter. I pray for our leaders to work for our betterment. I stand with the innocent and send love to them. I pray to drive hate away from everyone's heart. I hold a vision for a peaceful world. Even in the middle of the crisis, I choose peace. I respect the unwavering courage of those who have suffered. I pray for their healing. I pray for the betterment of everyone. Together, we have the power to create a peaceful world. I am thankful for peace and harmony in the world. We are healing. We are together. We are now safe and protected. We are now surrounded by love. We are now at peace. Every small act of kindness matters. Believe and achieve. Believe and manifest.